Welcome back, meteorologist Jordan Smith here on this Saturday evening. We started the day with a lot of strong thunderstorms. We had torrential rain, a lot of lightning. It was Mother Nature's way of putting off her own fireworks, and a lot of those that had some very pretty structure with it. A lot of shelf clouds. I'll show you that in just a second. First, we broke out into a mainly sunny sky here in Lexington, thanks to our Bluegrass Payscare Skyview HD camera network, and that has allowed temperatures to rise up into the low to mid 80s. And you can see we're sitting at 83 degrees right now, but look at our dew point. Ooh, it's sitting at 71, making us feel like 88. So it's definitely muggy. You're going to get ready to sweat it out as you walk out the door. Again, I mentioned how those storms earlier were picture perfect. Look at the shelf cloud in here sent in by Jeremiah Yoakum in Danville, Kentucky. I tell you what, it was picture perfect. He said this was really eerie, that it got darker the closer that it got. And that was a lot of people. I've had probably over 100 of you guys send me in pictures today. So thank you. I always appreciate all of that. Again, these storms have a lot of wind out ahead of it, but as far as rotation goes, if you see that shelf cloud, you should be in good shape as far as any chances of rotation goes. Temperatures, again, are muggy. We're only into the low to mid 80s, but it's those dew points that really make it feel muggy. Low to mid 70s for a dew point here into central Kentucky. Look at southern Kentucky, 79 degrees for a dew point in Somerset. That is almost the type of humidity that you wear as you walk out the door. And that's going to continue to be the case throughout the remainder of the evening. We do have a newly issued severe thunderstorm watch that includes western and northwestern Kentucky. That includes the Louisville Metro and for portions of our viewing area, Frankfort. So Franklin County, you guys are the only ones in this watch as of now. Don't be surprised that a few more counties to the east and south of that get added as we go off deeper into the evening as those storms start to get closer. For now, we are in good shape here locally, although we're tracking a very lone cell here into portions of Whitley County here, just getting ready to cross I-75 into the Williamsburg area. But if we track out our future cache, you can see clusters getting its act together back towards the west. Those will continue to move its way, get along the I-75 corridor here, say, roughly 8 to 11 p.m. tonight, and then moving off into eastern Kentucky. We catch a break into the early overnight, but look at this. This is 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Another cluster getting its act together, mainly into portions of southern Kentucky. That'll continue to move off towards the east. And then here we have another line moving in that could provide additional severe threat into tomorrow afternoon and evening. So yes, we have multiple rounds still on the way of strong and severe thunderstorms. And again into Monday, we'll see temperatures into the mid to upper 80s, and then a scattering of thunderstorms will return back into the afternoon, but more so along the way of scattered being the key word for Monday. Again, we do have that level 2 out of 5 risk here for all of our viewing area. Portions of western Kentucky in that level 3 out of 5, that is that orange enhanced risk. Now, all modes of severe weather are on the table for tonight, but damaging winds, torrential rain, and a lot of lightning is on the way with some isolated large hail, and an isolated tornado can't be ruled out. But again, that tornado threat is very low. If we break out those threat by threat, again, mainly along I-75 and west, has that low end risk for a tornado. Hail, the entire area is in a low risk for large hail. And then we are in an elevated risk of damaging winds of 60+ miles an hour. So that is our main concern. And we break down those threats one by one. You can see that the tornadoes, large hail is in that low category, but the damaging winds and flood and rain here getting in between that low and moderate. There's a lot of moisture, so they can dump a lot of rain in a short period of time, giving us that flash flood threat. Now here's the storm energy. This is this evening. There are these yellow orange shaded colors. That just lets us know that we have a lot of storm energy available to tap into, so that will increase our chances. Now overnight, that will die down, and then here we go tomorrow afternoon and evening. We ramp that back up once again, given the chance for those strong and severe thunderstorms into our Sunday afternoon and evening. Now, after this, we'll start to see more of a scattering of showers into early next week. But we have this one more round to get through tomorrow, and here we go. The entire area is under another slight risk, level 2 out of 5 for tomorrow. Damaging winds, torrential rain, isolated large hail, and again, that very small tornado chance, but it is still there. Okay, that's what we need to know. And looking out further off into the week, more scattered for Monday, Tuesday being 4th of July, Wednesday. And then as we go into Thursday and Friday, we'll likely see another frontal boundary get to move in, and that will increase our storm and rain chances once again. And those few could be strong. Back here in the short term, though, tonight, 71, muggy with scattered thunderstorms. Tomorrow on our Sunday, we'll see temperatures mid to upper 80s. Rain and storms likely, very, very humid. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Shows that rain chance Sunday into Monday. And there's 4th of July. Again, 89 for a high. Mainly dry with only a few scattered storms. And then we continue to see that increase Thursday into Friday with temperatures hanging into the 80s. More ABC 36 at 6:30 on the other side of the break. Stay with us.